ready to live in the beautiful rolling hills of Clermont? Then I have got the home for you. My name is Jennifer De Vivo with Lotus Door Realty. Welcome to 11512 Brandiwine Court. Can you say new, new, new? Let me tell you guys, this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home sitting on a nice cul-de-sac has a new roof, new AC, new water heater. It's been freshly painted inside and out, and I can't wait to show you the new luxury vinyl flooring. So let's take a look. You know you can't wait to sit out here with the family and the friends, do some grilling, sit back by your fire pit with a gorgeous view. Look at how much land you have, guys. It goes all the way back to that fence. And did I tell you the amazing location that you're in? Again, this home is on a nice quiet cul-de-sac, only 15 minutes to all the shopping, all the restaurants, all the conveniences. And Lake Louisa State Park is only 15 minutes away too, where you can do canoeing, hiking, grab your horse if you want, and do some trail riding. And of course, only 30 minutes to Disney and all the parks. So reach out to me, call me, 407-921-1310. I'm all over social media. Subscribe and follow for more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next video.